Hey there, busy bees! I know mornings can be hectic, and finding time to prepare a nutritious breakfast can feel like an impossible task. If you're always on the go but still want to start your day right, you're in the perfect place. A healthy breakfast doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Today, I'm going to show you 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that you can whip up in just 5 minutes or less. These recipes are not only easy to make, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your busy day. Whether you're a student rushing to class, a professional heading to work, or a parent getting the kids ready for school, these breakfasts will give you the energy you need to tackle your day. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got overnight oats with fresh berries. It's as simple as layering oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and fresh berries in a jar. This combination is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Oats are a great source of fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Chia seeds add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids, and the fresh berries provide a burst of vitamins and antioxidants. Mix it all up, leave it in the fridge overnight, and voila! You've got a delicious, fiber-rich breakfast ready to grab in the morning. It's perfect for those who need something quick and easy. Next, we have a classic avocado toast with eggs. This one is a favorite for a reason. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash up a ripe avocado, and fry an egg just the way you like it. Whole grain bread provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while avocado is rich in healthy fats. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes for a kick, and you're good to go. The egg adds a good amount of protein, making this breakfast both satisfying and nutritious. This one's packed with healthy fats and protein to keep you energized. It's a great option if you need something hearty and filling. Third, let's make a smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are not only delicious, but also visually appealing. Blend bananas, spinach, and almond butter until you get a thick, creamy texture. Bananas provide natural sweetness and potassium, while spinach adds a dose of iron and vitamins. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, seeds, and your favorite fruits. The toppings add a nice crunch and extra nutrients. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, and it looks as good as it tastes. Plus, it's a fun way to enjoy your smoothie with a spoon instead of a straw. Now, how about a Greek yogurt parfait? This one is perfect for those who love a bit of sweetness in the morning. Layer Greek yogurt with honey, granola, and fresh fruits in a glass. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which helps keep you full and supports muscle repair. It's high in protein and perfect for those who need a quick pick-me-up. The honey adds a touch of natural sweetness, and the granola provides a satisfying crunch. Finally, let's whip up some peanut butter banana toast. This one is a childhood favorite with a nutritious twist. Just toast a slice of bread, spread on some peanut butter, and layer with banana slices. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats, while bananas add natural sweetness and potassium. Drizzle with a bit of honey for some extra sweetness. This combination is not only delicious, but also provides a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fats. This one's a great source of protein and potassium. It's perfect for a quick breakfast or even a mid-morning snack. And there you have it. 5 easy, nutritious breakfasts you can make in no time. These recipes are perfect for anyone with a busy schedule who still wants to start their day with a healthy meal. Remember, starting your day with a healthy meal can set the tone for the rest of your day. It can help you stay focused, energized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more quick meal ideas. We're always sharing new recipes and tips to make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Start your day the healthy way. With these quick and nutritious breakfast ideas, you'll be ready to conquer your day with energy and enthusiasm. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the first step to a productive and happy day. See you next time.